Hey guys, so today I have ordered a wood stove or biogas stove. They actually call it biogas stove, so I'm not sure what's the actual name of it. I would call it wood stove because the purpose of this stove is to cook with woods. Like it is an efficient way to burn your wood and cook with it. So I would call it wood stove, but the name that I found it online was biogas stove. So I'm going to first share it with you how it looks. It looks really weird kind of, but they say that there will be no smoke, and it is efficient. With 1 kg of wood you can actually run it for 2 hours, and let's see if it lives up to its claim. So let me show you how it looks first, and then we will try to see if it actually lives up to its claim. So let's go. So this is our wood stove or biogas stove as they call it, and it's made of very premium quality steel, as you can see, with two nice little handles that don't get hot. And on the top we have this placeholder for your pots, and anything that you use to cook, you will place it on top of this. So we have this one, very heavy material, this one, so not cheap at all in any way. Let me put it aside. Inside it we have this adapter, 5-volt adapter. If I can show you, sorry, it is a 12-volt adapter, not 5-volt. My mistake. It's a 12-volt adapter to run the fan that controls the airflow. This is, I think, because they said that you can run it on solar as well or something. So this is an extra. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but if I am right, it's for if you want to run it directly on solar, the fan. And inside it we have this bowl with multiple holes, again good quality steel here. And this is where we will put the woods, and then they will start burning. These holes are to control the air flow. And lastly we have this, our container with a fan over here, and this one is to control the speed of the fire fan, the speed of the fan, which in turn controls the speed of the fire. This one we have the port to plug in the 12-volt adapter. This is our if you can see it completely, our wood stove from the base. You can have a look. So as you can see, now that I have turned on the fan, it can control the speed of the fire. So let me increase it. See, I have increased it. Let me decrease it. So this fan is actually controlling the speed of the fire, and there is no smoke as well. But so as you can see that I used a few wood blocks, and it worked just fine. The mechanism that it uses, that it pushes the air from the bottom, so there is always fresh oxygen for it to burn. And the smoke, because the air is coming from the bottom, the smoke goes out on towards the roof, so it does not disturb you. So there is definitely a smoke, but it's not something that will disturb you. And what else, it definitely keeps burning because the woods are like this. So as soon as the wood burns from the bottom, the new one comes down, so it definitely keeps burning. The fan is the main trick because it always keeps giving it the fresh oxygen, fresh air to burn, so it keeps burning. And overall I think it's a really good thing for anyone who used to cook it on using the wood, just like us. So yeah, I will leave the link to buy some of these in my video description for anyone interested, and do let me know what you think of this wood stove. And take great care of yourself. Bye.